We've used the AS400 for a long time, since I started here in 1996. It's been reliable, it's served us well. Running on the System I, we have a range of applications. We use System 21 Aurora, which is an ERP system for things like doing our accounts, sales ledger, purchase ledger, sales order processing, inventory and stock control. We also use the I-Series as a data warehouse. So we've got a lot of external applications that are web-based that access the AS400, DB400 databases.
We unfortunately lost one of our major developers on our IT team, and we decided it would be more time efficient and cost efficient to outsource such problems instead of internally resolving them.
The main issue that we had that we wanted to resolve was the resource problem. We needed someone that we could rely on, that we could contact anytime for support. Obviously, the primary objective was to find someone familiar with the I-Series or the AS400 because of that being our data warehouse. But we were also looking for someone who could develop in PHP and had some exposure to a PHP framework. And just having that comfort and support blanket, really.
We were looking for a team that could work well with the knowledge of the IBM I system as well as PHP and Laravel as a system.
They had plenty of support staff that had the necessary experience that we were looking for PHP development. And we liked the sort of type of companies that they were working with. They weren't too small, but they weren't too big, so they just seemed a really good fit for working with an organisation like Amada. We see Proximity as being an extension to our own IT team. They're very amenable. We can quickly take meetings with them. Everything's done using Google. And we're confident that when we ask Proximity to do things for us, it'll get done. We don't have to follow up on things, and it just allows us to focus on other areas of the business.
The development team we've been working with, Pete and Martin, have been extremely helpful with any problems and occurrences we've come across. They've been perfectly understanding of any requests we've done. They provide a full-time support with a very swift response time to any problems that occur with our applications. I would recommend Proximity because I've found that they've been a friendly, open company who are more than willing to work with your suggestions as well as providing their own to resolve issues.
I'd have no hesitation in recommending Proximity to anyone. They're sort of a great bunch of guys. They've always managed to deliver what they've promised. The relationship works really well. It's a really good fit for Amada. Proximity are really approachable. They understand the business needs, and they've exceeded our expectations.